Hey guys, I am not shining the light on me right now because I'm outside and, trying to figure out what is behind me making all that racket. Dogs are going crazy because somebody just walked by. It's really creepy at night around here because I had the strangest feeling that somebody's, watching me from the river canal right over here. You guys can't see it, but hold on. Shit, you guys can't see it. But it's like a little river canal, and it's kind of creepy at night because you don't know what kind of animals are over there or people, because people do walk around out here. And I'm just sitting out here because it's peaceful, and I don't want to be stuck up in that room watching movies. I know, I can't believe I just said that either. Oh my god, I must be totally... Oops! Hey, my face is up here. I just wish my friends, Alicia, Clay, and Sandy, would make videos. Not crazy videos about me, but I mean, videos like I do. Hey, what's up videos, like I'm doing right now. And it's just not that fun without them, I just definitely want to go to either one of their houses, like Sandy's new house or something like that, I'll find out, Sandy. I'll find out. We can get drunk together. And, kind of blinded from the light, but, I'm waiting for Uncle Butch to get here. And, yep. But we can get drunk together, huh, Sandy? Me and you. You know what? Alicia, you can get drunk whenever the frig you want. Oh, I'm never going to get drunk. I'll be the responsible one. Mm-hmm. Okay. Sure, Alicia. I love you to death, but there's no way I'm not going to try at least to get you drunk or passed out in some kind of way. No, I'm not going to hit you upside the head with a metal baseball bat. Nothing like that. Sorry, I'm not going to take you to the river canal and start stabbing you with a damn screwdriver or something like that, like most stupid, horrible, murderous people do. Sorry, it gives me a little bit flashbacks because frickin' river canal over here looks exactly the same as the frickin' video. Except for oh shit, there is a road. God. Now I'm starting to get goosebumps. Too bad you guys can't see it. Oh, it's a little too far, but still, that movie is horrible. Absolutely horrible. At least I got my mind off of whatever's there. Haven't been shot yet. I don't think any of that kind of stuff happens around here. No, it doesn't. Maybe thieves and stuff, but no, nothing like that. Crazy people walk in the middle of the night. Hey, the freaks come out at night. The freaks come out at night. But other than that, nothing abnormal and no aliens walking by saying, hey, what's up? I'll see you later. Woohoo! Stuff like that. I'm really jibber-jabbering right now because I had 2 coffees today and it was really good. God. Okay, that's kind of creepy. Okay, something going inside. Oh shit, I heard something growling right there. At first I thought it was Buttercup because I wasn't sure she got back in the yard. And then all of a sudden I heard like that, and I was like, is that a fucking dog? Wait, I don't want to find out. And I ran in here. I know. That was only a couple steps away. Look, see? You see the bench? That's not the one I was sitting at, but I mean, look, Rosie's just chilling out. Whoop! Rosie's just chilling out. Hi, Rosie. Rosie, are you sleepy? Rosie! Get away from me. I'm tired. Okay, Rosie. Sheesh. Oh, you can see my boots now. See? Papa's boots. Woo! But, I have no balance in these friggin' boots. Oh my god. Every time I flash this. Oh, see? Pretty flowers that my mom got for Papa. They're like trees. And then there's these ones. Oh, but there's a bench right over there. See? Can't see it? Kind of, but, yeah. I'm gonna let you go. Post this on Facebook. So you guys can comment and say, oh my god, are you okay? But I'm perfectly 100%, 2 thumbs up, okay. There's nothing wrong with me. Okay? I will talk to you guys later when Uncle Butch gets here. And we can make more videos! It'll be fun. Okay?